Previously, we talked about how whenever you click and drag, you begin drawing your shape. When you release the mouse, you begin the extrusion process, and then when you click, it completes it. If you click and drag without depth, you perform what's called a laser cut, where it will cut through the mesh. However, laser cut depth can be overridden with the depth parameter. So if we go in here, we type in something like 0.25, whenever we draw a shape and we give it depth, we see that it doesn't cut all the way through the mesh, allowing us to get a custom depth whenever it comes to us using laser cut. So sometimes this can come in handy for whenever you want a very particular depth. However, right here we see that due to a hotline on the fast algorithm, we ran into an issue. So if I press Ctrl Z to undo this, we could press D to go into helper and change our algorithm from fast to exact. And then when we perform this cut, we see that that one worked out, except we cut on the wrong area of plane of seeing. And really it's because the mesh is so flat. If we press Alt VE, we can give this some shading and actually see what we're doing. And now whenever I cut and drag, we see that we're able to cut, and it's able to keep cutting to that same depth and even connect these varying depths to each other, which is just one of the benefits of using the exact system. But just like that, you can get in Boxcutter and just modify your depth to be whatever you need it to be for those times whenever you need a custom depth.